Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick and honest user experience about this platform called LawDepot LLC. LawDepot offer an easy way to create a legal document online, from rental agreement to operate agreement for LLCs. Creating document on their site is intuitive with a clear questions and guides through each step. However, they use a 7 days free trial model that automatically turns into a paid subscription if you don't cancel it, which can be frustrating if you're not paying a close attention. The quality of the document is generally good for simple need, but if you have a complicated situation, it's still a good idea to have a lawyer review them. So that's it. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this platform and the usage experience.